Spotlight Server is the fastest way to search and find content on servers. It's designed for workgroups with shared documents, projects, and file archives. It works with macOS and Leopard clients to deliver lightning-fast searches of content stored on shared volumes across the entire network. Let's see how that works. So here we have a Leopard system. I'm going to go ahead and look at Finder here. And we're in this cover flow mode here where we can flip through content. And this is just my local home directory. But I can also look at Spotlight searches that we pre-configured for you. So we can go ahead and see what applications and files I've touched today. I can look at the files that I used yesterday. And so again, very nice way of being able to browse for your content. So let's say I'm working on a new project and I want to reuse some assets from a prior project that I worked on. And I know that content's archived on the server, so I'm going to use Spotlight Server to go find those old files and incorporate into my new project. And I only remember a couple of things. One was that the client name was called Trek, so I'll go ahead and start typing Trek in here. And I see that I don't have any results here on my local computer, but if I click on the Shared button here, it'll automatically connect to my server, and now I see I have about 1,400 different assets that have the Trek name associated with it. So again, sometimes it's in the file name, but sometimes it might be some metadata that we associate with this content. But again, this is a little bit too overwhelming for me. 1,400 results. I could kind of page through these one at a time, but I'm in a bit of a rush here. So let's go ahead and refine this search, and let's say we only want the images. So we'll filter the search down. And now we see we've kind of whittled down that search to a more smaller set, but it's still overwhelming. It's about 1,400 results. Now I do remember that this photo shoot occurred in September. So let's go ahead and add another rule here, and we'll say the create date was sometime after September 1st. So I'll go ahead and do that. And we see automatically now that the results are now down to 14. Now this is a much more manageable set of results. And now again I can use CoverFlow to go through these photos. And there's the photo I was looking for. So I can just go ahead and drag and drop that onto my desktop. So it's now in my local system. And now I can incorporate that into my new project. So that was Spotlight Server. As you saw, it provided a very fast and easy way for me to search content that's on the server. And using CoverFlow, I can flip through the content and be able to get even more details on the assets that I'm searching for. For more information, visit apple.com/business.